FTX up for sale. Who will buy the crypto wreckage? Bankrupt crypto exchange FDX Trading Ltd is now reviewing offers from 3 potential buyers. Kevin Kovsky from Perella Weinberg Partners mentioned several possibilities, including selling the entire exchange with its extensive database of more than 9 million customers, collaborating with a partner for a relaunch, or independently reviewing the platform. They are engaging with multiple parties every day, keeping the identities of the bidders confidential. Since its bankruptcy declaration last year, FTX embarked on a mission to accumulate funds to compensate its creditors.
Hello friends, I'm Mary and I'm a professional trader. I'm here to assist you in navigating the world of trading. It does not matter which country you're from, how much money you earn, how much you know about trading binary options. I am here to help you. I have 3 Telegram channels, absolutely free, where I post precise signals and where we can trade together. We can collaborate to enhance your earnings. If you're interested, just follow the link in the description.
Let's kick off trading session with my subscribers. I occasionally record such sessions to show how it unfolds from my end. I simultaneously open trades and provide signals in both the public and VIP channels, allowing my subscribers to trade alongside me. Now let's move on to the charts and look for entry opportunities. Alright, let's prepare the USD and Canadian dollar currency pair right away. Here we can confidently enter a trade. I see a clear drop here and I need to act quickly. First, I'll post in both channels that we're preparing the USD and Canadian dollar currency pair. And now we can open a 3-minute short trade. In general, we should have enough time for this. No, we won't enter now. You see, I spotted the situation, a strong impulsive downward movement. I wanted to get in quickly and join the movement because it would have continued 100%. Here comes the continuation, although we might still make some profit. Let's post the signal and open the trade accordingly because most likely we'll continue to fall to this zone. It's about 20 pips from the entry level to the zone, and that should be enough for us to profit. I expect everything to go well and we'll earn nicely. Meanwhile, let's see what other situations are present in the market. Now, euro with the US dollar. For the Euro-USD currency pair, an ideal situation has formed to enter a long trade. Let's start preparing Euro and USD. But we will only open this trade in our VIP channel because in the public channel we publish only 1 profitable signal, and after that we move to trade in the closed group. Similarly, entering for 3 minutes with $300. We publish the signal and open the trade. Here we can witness a strong impulsive drop, but it's better to switch to trading view. It will be much clearer, so we can see the drop. After this drop on the currency pair, a slight correction has started and I expect the same kind of exit from this consolidation. The price came out of the correction zone, returned with this red candle to the lower level and then started moving up. Consequently, I anticipate a continuation of the upward movement. In principle, the price has already begun to move up, so we'll wait for the most positive development of our trade. Although in principle anything can happen and we cannot influence that, all a trader can do is analyze the movement, draw conclusions, and consider risk management. Now, let's get back to our USD and Canadian dollar trade. We've managed to grab the last car of the train and the trade will close as intended. As for the euro and the dollar, it's currency at the same spot currently. Or more precisely, we have 1 extra point, but it's unclear how it will close. As long as the price fluctuates within 1 point up or down, we can't draw any conclusions. It's uncertain what's ahead and what the current trend is. Alright, let's wait for the results. So the USD and Canadian dollar trade is closing with a very nice profit. This is an extremely confident trade. As soon as we entered, the price immediately continued to drop, bringing a very solid profit. Let's point the results in both channels. Alright, our result trade closed with a profit. Everyone's happy, everyone's in the green. And we're finishing trading in our public channel. Oops, I made a typo. Okay, now let's post it correctly. And now we're ending trading in the public channel and moving to trade in our VIP channel. But merely saying it in the video isn't enough, we need to write it in the public channel. Well, we're writing down everything I've just explained. We're ending the trading session because in the public channel we only publish one profitable signal. So euro and the dollar, by the way, closed with a 5-point loss. Sometimes trades close with a loss due to a 1-point difference at the last second. Okay, let's go for an offset trade on euro and USD. As I mentioned, even if the trade closes at a loss, we'll open an offset trade and still end up in profit. The only difference is that we're opening a 5-minute trade. Alright, we select 5 minutes, choose $600 and open a long trade. I think it will confidently close in profit within 5 minutes, and now we can completely close our public channel. Even though I only look at the latest candles, having an extra window on the screen distracts me a lot, but it's a minor issue. Alright, let's keep looking at other situations. We're exploring other opportunities in the market. What else do we have of interest? Oh, USD and Canadian dollar. Why did USD and Canadian dollar drop so significantly? Let's take a look. So USD and Canadian dollar broke a very strong support zone. We had a pretty good support zone here, which withstood 3 robust tests, but it still didn't hold. USD and Canadian dollar broke it very confidently. By the way, I believe the price will continue to fall since such a strong support didn't hold. Nothing is restraining the price now. So I want to open a 5-minute short trade to profit once more from this currency pair. Let's prepare for the trade. We're announcing in the closed channel that we'll be opening a short trade on USD and Canadian dollar. I think we can enter from this level for a short trade. I believe 5 minutes will be enough to weather any correction and lock in a profit after all. Yes, even if the price retraces upward, 5 minutes should be plenty of time to trade through it and go lower. So we open a trade and immediately publish our trade signal in the closed channel. In any case, we have enough time in reserve for the price to trade and drop again. Now, while waiting for this trade, I suggest looking at other situations and preparing for them. We might open another trade simultaneously with this one. By the way, here's the situation with British pound and USD. Let's rewind the chart and see where we have zones. So for our Euro USD trade, everything is looking good. The trade is currently in the green. I like the situation with British pound and USD, but from my experience, I feel we should go short right now from this level. However, it should be a quick trade for 2 minutes instead of the standard 3. This will be our 3rd trade today. Let's prepare for it. We're announcing in the channel that we're switching to the British pound USD currency pair. I want to enter the trade right from this resistance zone. It's very clear here that the price reached the resistance zone, and despite a strong impulse, can't move higher. I believe the price is literally 1 point below the resistance zone, and this is just the perfect moment. So we're going short for 2 minutes, publish the signal, and that's it. Alright, everything is going perfectly so far. We entered the short trade for 2 minutes, right at the top, and even if the price trades in a narrow range, we can profit from it. Currently we have 3 trades open, and we've already secured a profit on the first trade with the USD and Canadian dollar currency pair. If these 3 trades closed in profit, we can end the trading session and get ready for the next trading day. By the way, I trade almost every day. Subscribe to the public channel and receive signals like in this video. In general, if all the trades close in profit, we can take a break. For now, let's wait for the results. As you can see, the British pound and USD trade closed in profit. In total, I made $243 in 2 minutes, which is pretty good. Let's take a screenshot right away and post the result in the closed channel. So the trade closed with a profit and bought us a net profit of $243. We're posting this in the closed channel, and I hope all the subscribers made a profit on this. And now let's wait for a few seconds because the Euro and USD trade should be closing soon. Okay, the Euro and USD trade closed and bought us a nice profit as well. On this offset trade, we made $552, which is really good. Now we're waiting for the last trade today. There are just a few seconds left on the USD and Canadian dollar trade to close, and I hope it will end in a profit. Yes, there were no surprises. The trade is closing in the green. In total, we have 4 profitable trades, one of which was an offset trade. In general, today was a fantastic trading session. Even though the market is incredibly challenging, I picked the right moments for trading and caught some great opportunities. So I've already posted the results. It means we can wrap up this trading session and go for some rest. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button, and leave comments to let me know if you find the content I create for you valuable. Subscribe to my Telegram channel where we can chat live every day, and feel free to message me with any questions. I'll be happy to answer.